Modern Age, MCQs, Physics, Class Second Year, Unit number 11, Electrostatics, Part 3. The SI unit of electric field is option A, Newton per meter, B, Newton meter, C, Newton per coulomb, D, Newton coulomb. The key is Newton per coulomb. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason. From the formula E is equal to F divided by Q naught, the SI unit of electric field intensity is Newton per coulomb because Newton is the unit of force and coulomb is the unit of charge. Hence, the SI unit of electric field intensity is Newton per coulomb. The dimensional formula square bracket mlt power minus 3 a power minus 1 is for option A, gravitational intensity, B, electric intensity, C, magnetic intensity, D, light intensity. The key is electric intensity. The correct option is B. Reason. Formula E is equal to F divided by Q naught. Therefore, the dimensional formula of square bracket mlt power minus 2 is for force and square bracket at is for charge. Therefore, the dimensional formula of electric field intensity is square bracket mlt power minus 2 divided by square bracket at, which is equal to square bracket mlt power minus 3 a power minus 1. Hence, the dimensional formula square bracket mlt power minus 3 a power minus 1 is for electric intensity. Which one is the correct mathematical statement of electric field intensity due to a point charge? Option A, electric field is equal to kq divided by r into r unit vector. Option B, electric field is equal to kq divided by r square into r vector. Option C, electric field is equal to kq divided by r cube into r unit vector. Option D, E is equal to kq divided by r cube into r vector. The key is E is equal to kq divided by r cube into r vector. Therefore, correct option is B. Reason. The force between field producing point charge q and test charge q naught is F is equal to kq q naught divided by r square and E is equal to F vector divided by q naught is equal to 1 by q naught into k q q naught divided by r square into r unit vector, which is equal to k q divided by r cube into r vector, because q naught is cancelled with q naught and r unit vector is replaced by r vector divided by its magnitude r. Hence, the correct mathematical statement of electric field intensity due to a point charge is E vector is equal to kq divided by r cube into r vector. Bismillah. In an electric field E, the force F acting on a proton is option A, F vector is equal to minus E vector, B, F vector is equal to minus E vector divided by E, C, F vector is equal to plus E vector, option D, F vector is equal to plus E vector divided by E. The key is F vector is equal to plus E vector. The correct option is C. Reason. Formula. Electric field intensity is equal to force vector divided by the test charge q naught, or F vector is equal to q naught E vector. The charge on a proton is Q naught is equal to plus E. Therefore, the force acting on the proton is F equal to plus E into E vector. Hence, the force acting on a proton is F is equal to plus E into E. In an electric field A, the force F acting on an electron is option A, F is equal to minus E into E. Option B, F is equal to minus E divided by E. Option C, F is equal to plus E into E. Option D, F is equal to plus E divided by E. The key is F is equal to minus E into E vector. Therefore, the option A is correct. Reason, formula, E is equal to F divided by Q naught, or F is equal to Q naught into A. The charge on electron is Q naught is equal to minus E. Therefore, force acting on the electron is F is equal to minus E into E vector. Hence, force acting on a proton is F is equal to minus E into E. When an electron and a proton are released in an electric field, they are accelerated with accelerations inclined at an angle. Option A, theta is equal to 0 degree, theta is equal to 90 degrees. C, theta is equal to 180 degree. D, theta is equal to 270 degree. The key is theta is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, correct option is C. Reason, the forces acting on electron and proton. The force on electron is minus E into E vector, and force on proton is plus E into E vector, are equal and opposite in an electric field E. Therefore, they are accelerated in the opposite directions. Hence, their accelerations are inclined at angle theta is equal to 180 degree. Which one is photoconductor? Option A, silicon. Option B, selenium. Option C, copper. Option D, graphite. The key is selenium. The option B is correct. Reason, uh, selenium is an insulator when placed in dock. It conducts in the presence of light. One of the examples is the selenium coated aluminium drum used as photocopier. Hence, the selenium is photoconductor. The electric lines of force crossing an area in an electric field gives option A, electric intensity, option B, electric flux, option C, electric potential, option D, electric field. The key is electric flux. Therefore, the correct option is B. The reason, the electric lines of force passing through an area is called the electric flux. Hence, it is a definition of the electric flux. The electric flux through a closed surface enclosing charge Q is equal to option A, epsilon naught into Q, option B, epsilon naught divided by Q, option C, Q divided by epsilon naught, option D, epsilon naught square into Q. The key is Q divided by epsilon naught. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason, the electric flux phi is equal to Q divided by epsilon naught is the statement of Gauss' law. Hence, the electric flux through a closed surface enclosing charge Q is equal to Q divided by epsilon naught. A hollow metallic sphere is charged to plus Q coulomb. What is the electric flux at the center of the sphere? Option A, 0 divided by epsilon naught. B, epsilon naught divided by Q. C. Q divided by epsilon naught. D. Epsilon naught into Q. The key is 0 divided by epsilon naught, which is 0. The correct option is A. Reason: the charge resides uniformly at the outer surface of the sphere. The field lines are radially outward from the surface. There is no field line inside the sphere. Therefore, electric field E is equal to 0. Therefore, the flux is phi is equal to E A cos theta is equal to 0 into A cos theta, which is equal to 0, or phi is equal to 0, which can be written as 0 divided by epsilon naught. Hence, the electric flux at the center of sphere is 0 divided by epsilon naught.